In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with LucidChart. Let's begin by opening your web browser and heading to the Lucid site. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in or create an account. Just follow the on-screen prompts so you can access your workspace. Once you're on the Lucid Home dashboard, look for the New button, click it, choose LucidChart, and then decide whether you want a blank document for a fresh canvas or create from template if you'd like a ready-made layout to customize. Templates are great when you're short on time or new to diagramming, and you can search by use case, like flowcharts, org charts, process maps, and more. If you start with a blank document, you'll see a canvas in the center. On the left, you'll find the shape libraries. Drag any shape onto the canvas to begin. To connect shapes, hover near the edge of a shape until you see connection points, then click and drag to another shape. LucidChart will snap your lines neatly into place, and alignment guides help keep everything tidy. Double-click a shape to add text, and use the formatting toolbar or the panel on the right to adjust font, size, color, and line styles. If you need more symbols like BPMN, UML, or network icons, open additional shape libraries from the left panel. As you build, remember a few helpful tips. Duplicate shapes quickly to keep your styling consistent, then update the labels so your diagram stays uniform. Use zoom controls to get a closer look at details and pan around the canvas to keep your flow visible. If your lines get busy, add elbow or curve connectors and apply arrows to clarify direction. Renaming your document at the top keeps your files organized, and autosave ensures your work is preserved as you go. If you chose a template, replace the placeholder text with your own content. Remove sections you don't need, and tweak colors or fonts to match your style or brand. Templates are fully editable, so don't hesitate to rearrange or add shapes as your process becomes clearer. When your diagram communicates the idea cleanly, whether that's a simple flowchart or a more complex map, you're essentially done. At this point, you've created a Lucid chart you can continue refining as your process evolves. That's all there is to it. Go to Lucid, create a new Lucid chart from a blank canvas or a template, and customize it with shapes, connectors, and formatting until it tells your story clearly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your next diagram.